To accurately align a workpiece or work-holding device, begin by visually aligning the vise until it's roughly parallel with the machine axis. Then lightly snug the clamping nuts. Next, mount an indicator in the spindle and orient it so that it reads the alignment of the reference surface. We're using a vise, so the reference surface is the solid jaw. If the vise is used on a swivel base, start by moving the table axis until the indicator contact is in the middle of the jaw, then set it to 0. Next, move the axis to the end of the jaw and tap the vise until the jaw moves to bring the indicator reading back to 0. Confirm that the vise is aligned by moving the axis to the opposite end of the jaw. If you find that the vise is misaligned by more than a half-a-thousandth of an inch across the entire jaw width, repeat the steps until it is adequately aligned. Then tighten the clamping nuts evenly. If you find yourself aligning a vise without a swivel base or a workpiece, you'd begin by snugging one clamp while leaving the other loose. Next, zero the indicator at the surface closest to the snugged clamp, creating a pivot point. Then move the table axis to the point on that surface furthest from where the indicator was zeroed and note the indicator reading. To move the indicator reading back to 0, simply tap the device. Because the indicator was initially zeroed at a pivot point created by the tight clamp, make sure to check that this end of the device did not move. If the vise is misaligned by more than a half-thousandth of an inch, repeat the steps until it is adequately aligned. Then evenly tighten the clamping nuts by alternating side to side until they are fully tightened. To finish the task, recheck alignment, and you're done.